Welcome to WH Creator. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a partition in a clear and simple way. If you have unallocated or free space within an existing partition, you can use it to create a new one. In our case, we have some free space available in partition F, so we'll create a new partition from that space. To begin, go to your desktop, right-click on this PC, and choose Manage from the context menu. Now, click on Disk Management from the options on the left. Next, right-click on the F partition from the list of volumes, and choose Shrink Volume from the context menu. Here, the first option shows that the total size of the partition is 50,000 megabytes, which is approximately 50 gigabytes. The second option indicates that 46,878 megabytes is available for creating a new partition. In the third field, you can specify how much space you want to allocate for the new partition. In this example, we'll enter 30,000 megabytes, which is roughly 29 gigabytes. The last option shows that about 20,000 megabytes will remain with the existing partition. Once you've entered the desired amount, click on Shrink. After clicking on Shrink, the new partition will appear as unallocated space. Simply right-click on it and select New Simple Volume. Then, click Next. The wizard will show that your new partition size is 30,000 megabytes. Click Next again. Now, you can assign a drive letter to your new partition. Once you've selected the letter, click Next, Next, and then Finish to complete the process. The process has now been completed successfully, and our new partition has been created. As you can see, the partition has been assigned the drive letter G, just as we selected earlier. You can now start using this new partition to store your data, install programs, or organize your files more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WH Creator for more easy and professional tech tutorials. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell.